Yo YouTube, how are you? What's up? I'm back, and today, as you can notice, I'm bringing you the latest smartphone stabilizer from DJI, one of the best brands in the sector. It's the OM4 or Osmo Mobile 4, and as you can notice from here, the difference between the DJI OM4 and the DJI OM3 is that now it has a magnetic hold, as we will see when we unbox. There's the smartphone stabilizer here, some light reflections, and here, as you can see, we have all the features. So let's just put it on focus. We have the DJI OM4, of course, the smartphone stabilizer, the magnetic phone clamp, the storage pouch, the power cable, the manuals, the wrist strap, magnetic ring holder, and grip tripod. So inclusive, there is a tripod which comes handy. And the magnetic hold can be either a ring holder which gets stuck at the back of your phone, or the magnetic phone clamp, so you don't stuck anything to your phone but just clamp it, and then it gets magnetic hold with the DJI smartphone stabilizer. So you can see on the back of the box there is the explanation in pictures, where we can see the magnetic quick mount, foldable and portable, which comes in a small package, active track 3, quick roll, gesture control, and story mode. So many exciting features. All of these can be adapted to your phone by downloading the DJI app here, DJI Mimo app, which I downloaded already on my phone. And obviously, for those who have Apple, you can download it from the App Store, while the Android people from the Google Play. And that's the back of the box. Here we saw it already. Here it's only DJI, and here it's back to the front of the box with all the specifications, details, and company thingies underneath, which for now we don't need. So time for some unboxing. And finally I get to unbox, because it's been a while since I had this beauty. Not much noise, it's plastic. And there you go. So you get to open the box. Nice. Not so much reflections now that the plastic has gone, eh? Now get to open the box. We still have some kind of tape here. There you go. And there, once you open the box, you are greeted with these here, which are the explanation, so to say. As you can see, what we already discussed about is the clamp holder, magnetic, and this one, how it will clamp to your stabilizer. From where you can download the DJI Mimo app, and here how it will be set it once it's set up. Now here we have create magic moments, and with this flip here, as you can see, there is the smartphone stabilizer itself. Comes nice, not too heavy. You see, when it's closed, it's almost it can rest in the palm of my hand, as you can see, when it's closed. So it's very handy. Okay, I don't have small hands, but it isn't that big. There is the brand here, obviously DJI. The grip is quite comfortable. It opens just like that. Alright. And from here you can then obviously control it, but more on the setup and the controls in the follow-up video. For today we're only having the unboxing. So this goes back in the box for now. As you can notice here, what we discussed, there is the magnetic how do you say it, where do you place the phone eventually with the magnetic grip. And here we have the excuse me, here we have the sticker if you want to put the sticker in the back of your phone, you see? And or else you can use the clamp. Both are nice and branded. On the other side you have the base of the smartphone stabilizer, and this is the, as you can see, it goes with this one here, and you can use it like that, or else you can also use it like this as a further extra hold and grip on it all, just like so. You see? So those go back in the box for now. This is the tripod, obviously. The tripod. And beneath the tripod we find the charger, which is USB against USB-C. Now for this pocket. In this pocket we have the calibration thing here. Look at this, this is cool. So depending on which phone you have, the sizes you can see here, you see? Put it this way, maybe you can see better. This. There is the size of the phone, and once you have a phone, for example, I can give you this, which is the cover for now. If I have a phone this size, you see, you put on the phone, you calibrate the size of the phone and see where this one will be placed, like so. You see? So we'll find the calibration sticker. We'll find obviously the ring, which is quite nice. Then grip it at the phone and keep it there, and use it also to hold the phone. Okay. What else we have? We have the pouch. We have a sleek, nice, soft pouch here. It's a nice added feature by DJI for the Osmo 4. which comes obviously handy to carry for outside adventure. Nice grey, smooth grey, like it. And there you go. And we've got the strap. So this strap, for those who can rely on the strap to make sure that it doesn't fall to the ground and have an expensive accident. What else have we got here? I suppose manuals remain. Let us see. We can get rid of this one now. And we have another packet, most probably manuals and maybe a sticker. Let's see. So these are extra stickers that you've got. Some manuals which we will never read. And a quick start guide if you're interested in these things. So that wraps up our YouTube video for today. It's the DJI OM4. I recommended it. Very nice for flexibility, stability, and it has many features, as you will see in the follow-up video when we'll see it in action. Thank you for now. Leave a comment if you want, do a like, subscribe, and peace.